As a business owner, do you often find yourself tangled in a web of management problems, struggling to keep everything running smoothly? Well, worry no more, because we've got you covered. Meet Minion, your go-to for business management. Watch how it solves your common challenges. Effortlessly enter data with our intuitive drop-down menus. Yellow highlighted items indicate products below the reorder level, helping you stay on top of inventory. Plus, our software captures errors and pops up messages to ensure your data remains accurate and reliable. With Minion, managing your data has never been easier. Watch as the user enters the customer's first name, last name, and email ID'd into our system. Communicating with customers can be time-consuming. Minion's email automation lets you send customized emails with a single click and receive alerts to stay on top of everything. Personalized communication made easy.
Welcome to our quick guide on the power of KPIs and charts in data analysis. In today's fast-paced world, having clear, actionable insights is crucial for informed business decisions. KPIs, or key performance indicators, are measurable values showing how effectively a company achieves its objectives. Tracking KPIs highlights areas of success and where improvements are needed, acting like vital signs for your business. Charts are essential for visualizing data. Bar charts compare groups or track changes over time, revealing trends and outliers. For example, a bar chart can display monthly sales performance across regions, pinpointing areas that excel or need attention. Pie charts illustrate proportions, showing how segments contribute to the whole. They can display product market shares, highlighting dominant or lagging products. Combining KPIs with bar and pie charts offers a comprehensive view of business performance, enabling confident, data-driven decisions. Whether a small business owner or corporate executive, leveraging these tools can drive your business forward. Thank you for joining us. Start using KPIs and charts today to transform your data into meaningful insights and propel your business to new heights. In our inventory management system, items below reorder level are highlighted in red, making it easy to spot what needs restocking. Once an order is placed to replenish these items, the system automatically refreshes the stock levels every 5 minutes. When the quantity of an item rises above the reorder level, its entry returns to normal, no longer highlighted. This ensures that the most up-to-date information is available to everyone involved, from procurement to sales, keeping the entire team informed and operations running smoothly. Boost your efficiency with Minion. Streamline data entry and visualize insights instantly. Visit minion.in for your free demo today.